In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer statement in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. This quick and straightforward process ensures you effectively manage your finances and maintain clear communication with your clients. Let's start by heading over to the QuickBooks Online website. If you haven't signed in already, you'll find the Sign In button conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. These credentials are essential in keeping your data secure, so make sure they're entered correctly. After entering them, click on Sign In again to proceed with accessing your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're successfully signed in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here you'll see a Sales tab. Click on this tab, which will guide you to the area within QuickBooks where all your sales and customer related activities are managed. Following this, navigate to the Customers section. This section is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of all your customers and their financial activities. Look for the name of the customer for whom you'd like to create a statement and select them from the list. It might be helpful to familiarize yourself with the layout here, as this is the hub for customer interactions. With your customer selected, you'll notice a Batch Action drop-down option. Clicking on this will reveal a list of various actions you can perform. For our purposes today, you'll want to choose Create Statements. This handy feature is crucial for generating detailed summaries of your customers' transactions over a specified period. Next, you're presented with options to determine the time frame for the statement. You'll need to adjust the start date and the end date to reflect the period you wish to cover. This customization ensures the statement includes only the relevant transactions, making it as accurate and efficient as possible. Now that your time frame is set, you'll see the Save and Send button. Select this and you're almost at the finish line. You want your customer to receive this statement, so you'll simply click on the Send button to issue the statement directly to them, completing the process. And there you have it, you've successfully created and sent a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. This streamlined method not only keeps your books in order, but also strengthens your business communication with clients. Don't forget to use this process whenever you need to provide your customers with a detailed account summary. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial made your financial management just a bit smoother.